All right, so for those that have asked me, can you open the doors without your keypad? Can you do it from inside? Yes, you can. I built a switch panel. It consists of 3 switches. The right one's the passenger door, the left one's the driver's door, and the middle one kind of just controls them both. So obviously if you wanted to open the door manually, you would just open the door, pull the handle, open it normally on either one. Just use the handle. If you wanted to do it automatically, you just simply push the middle button for 60 seconds. These 2 lights come on. After 60 seconds they go out. The purpose of that is you don't accidentally open the door driving down the road. So to open the passenger door, you would just hit the OK button. And it opens. Same with the drivers. You just hit the button. It opens. It's timed out. The OKs are off. You can no longer open the doors. So if you wanted to close the doors or open them, you just reactivate them. Hit the button, and it closes. Same with the passenger. After 60 seconds they go out, you can't control the doors. The other switches roll the windows down, roll the windows up for either door. Roll window up. So for this one, we roll the window down. And this purpose of that is so that you can work the windows while the doors are in the air. Past that, the other ones are, LEDs, fog lights, and there's a couple blanks, a couple extras for future purpose. But ultimately, that's how you open the doors from the inside.